If you are giving away your phone for any repairs or maintenance purposes, you can actually turn on the maintenance mode on Galaxy Z Flip 5. So for that, go in settings, go in battery and device care, and scroll up. You will see this maintenance mode. If you go in here, you can turn it on before handing over your phone for repairs. And you can read here what it will do. Maintenance mode protects your privacy while someone else is using your phone, such as when you are sending it for repairs. In maintenance mode, your personal data, including pictures, messages, and accounts, can be accessed, and only pre-installed apps are available. You will need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. When you do, everything will go back to the way it was when maintenance was first turned on. Changes made while maintenance mode is on, such as downloaded data, installed apps, or settings changes aren't saved. If you're giving your phone away for repairs, you do not have to delete everything. You do not have to factory reset it or something like that. Just turn on the maintenance mode and hand it over. Anything that happens during the maintenance mode is not saved on the phone. And from here, it also gives you the option to temporarily back up your phone to the cloud and external storage backup.